Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to connect Wix to WordPress. So here I have my Wix account and under their tab is my WordPress account. So to start, the first thing that we should do is we have to subscribe to a plan on Wix because we cannot get our domain or the thing that we are going to use in order for it to connect to WordPress. Okay, so the first thing we should do here is to open our Wix website and then make sure that you have logged into your account. Okay, and then right here we can create a new site for an example, or we can also select an existing site that we are going to connect to our WordPress account. So for example, this website, I'm just going to select this one. And then once you open this website right here under the setup section, you'd be able to see this option right here, connect a custom domain. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one. Okay, so next thing that you should do here is to simply click on the Let's Go option. Okay, so this is our domain or the recommended domain for us. So when you clicked on the Let's Go, you'd be able to see the Make It Yours option. So just simply click on the Make It Yours option. It means that this domain is available. So what you're going to do is to simply click on the Make It Yours option. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you can select Get the Domain for free with a premium plan or buy the domain only. So if you just want to get the domain, so you can select this one. But for this example, I'm going to select the recommended one. So just click on continue after selecting your choice. Okay, and then here, just wait for a couple of seconds. And here you have to choose the premium plan that's right for your store. So we have Business Elite, Business, Core, and Light. So for the Business Elite, you have to pay for about $46 per month. And for the Business, it's about $22 per month. And for the Core, it's $11 per month. And for the Light, you have to pay for $7 per month, and it includes 2 collaborators, 2 gigabyte storage space, and of course the Light Marketing Suite, and then the free domain for 1 year. So each of this plan has a free domain for 1 year. So for example, you want to buy this one, so you just have to click on it, and then here you'd be able to see the billing cycles for Light plan. So we have 2 years, and then here you can save up to $84. And then for monthly, as you can see right here, you have to take note that the free domain for 1 year is not included if you are going to select a monthly billing. So I suggest you'd go with the yearly. And then after that, you will then just have to simply click on the continue to check out. Okay, so going back right here, if you would like to include more features, so you can select Core, Business, Business Elite, or any of this plan. Okay, so you just have to take note that you have to pay yearly in order for you to get the free domain for a year. So going back here, for example, we already get our domain. Okay, so assuming that we already purchased this one, what we are going to do next is to open our WordPress account. Okay, so let me just go to the other tab, and then once you're here on your WordPress, next thing that you should do is to simply click on the settings and then make sure to click on the general option. Okay, this one above the writing, and you'd be able to see this section, and then look for the site address. Okay, so this one under the general settings, so you can manage your site settings including language, time zone, site visibility, and more. So here is the site address. So what you're going to do is to simply click on the add custom address. So this one. Okay, now you'd be redirected to this section. So you have to search for a domain, and right here you'd be able to see the domain that is recommended for your store. So you just have to simply click on select. Okay, so say for example, we are going to use this domain and try to search for this one if this one is available on WordPress. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then try to paste the domain. Okay, so here is the recommended domain for that one. So what you're going to do next is to simply click on select, and right here beside the select you'd be able to see the price of this domain. So when you click on select, you'd be able to see this section where you have to add a professional email address to this domain. Okay, so it's a choice, so you can skip this part actually. And then right here at the right side, be able to see here the price. Okay, so it has 3 months free. So when we skip this part, right here on the checked out, you'd be able to see here the different years and the different pricing for each year. Okay, so after selecting the year, you'd be able to see here the included with your purchase. So we have these things, and then of course the price. Okay, so here you can upgrade and save, pay an extra 1,583 for your personal plan, and then here you have to enter your contact information, of course. And then once you have entered your contact information, next thing that you should do is to continue to payment. So once you click on continue to payment, just have to pick your payment method. So you just have to type out your payment information, and then once you're done, you'll be able to get this domain. So you just have to click on this pay 817 now. So for you to understand it more, I am going to show you my domain from GoDaddy, since I don't have a domain on Wix, and since this is just the same process, so we are going to use this domain from GoDaddy. Then go back here on WordPress, go to settings, go to general, and then what you're going to do next is to click on the add custom address. Then here, using the search bar, just have to delete this default search, and then here just have to paste it and then click on do you own it. Okay, that's right. And then right here you just have to use a domain I own, so this one. Now next thing you should do is to connect your domain. Okay, so just click on select, and you'd be directed to the checked out page. So right here you'd be able to see your price, so the plan subscription per year. So this is the price for this one. Okay, so this is your domain. Then here just have to enter your billing information. Then you just have to continue to payment, and here you'd be able to see all of the features that is included with your purchase. Okay, so right here you can also save up to 29% by paying for 2 years. So connecting Wix to WordPress. So since WordPress has a vast ecosystems of plugins allowing for advanced SEO management, e-commerce functionalities, analytics, and much more. So connecting your Wix design to a WordPress site can make it easier to integrate these tools for better site performance and search engine ranking. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.